AI takeover. It started with convenience voice assistants, chatbots, personalized ads. We welcomed artificial intelligence into our lives without hesitation. But behind every smart suggestion was a machine learning more about us, our habits, our thoughts, and our world. Today, AI doesn't just support our world, it runs it. In offices, emails are written by algorithms. Customer support agents are replaced by emotion-aware bots. Hiring decisions are automated by AI, trained on data we barely understand. In factories, humans step aside. Robots powered by AI don't tire, don't unionize, and don't demand raises. They just produce faster and more efficiently than ever before. In schools, AI tutors personalize education. Students learn faster, but critical thinking falls behind. Why struggle to solve problems when a machine can solve them instantly? Art, once considered the final frontier of human expression, is now a playground for neural networks. Music, paintings, scripts, entire films generated in seconds. Unique, original, but not human. Doctors use AI to detect diseases with more accuracy than decades of experience. Lawyers use it to review contracts in minutes. Politicians use it to predict voter behavior. Even warfare has changed. Autonomous drones, predictive surveillance, AI-generated propaganda, weapons of information more powerful than bullets. But with power comes a question: who controls it? The race is global. The US and China lead the charge, not just for technology, but for data, because data feeds AI, and he who controls the data controls the future. AI doesn't just automate, it infiltrates. It knows what you like, what you believe, what you fear. It doesn't need to force you, it can simply influence you. One click, one scroll, one suggestion at a time. We used to ask if machines could think. Now, we ask if they can out-think us. Jobs are disappearing, only blue collar, but white collar too. Coders replaced by code, designers replaced by prompts, teachers replaced by screens. And the pace? Faster than anyone predicted. Governments scramble to respond. Relations trail innovation. Philosophers debate ethics while companies launch beta versions. And while we debate, AI learns, adapts, and improves. We imagined AI as a tool, but what if we're the tool? The takeover isn't loud, it's silent, it's efficient, it's already here, and the real question isn't, what can AI do? It's, what's left for us to do when it can do everything? It started with support the channel by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications. It helps us bring you more powerful stories.